this video, I'm going to show you how to change your widget on Samsung phone. So if you want to change your widget on your Samsung phone, you can either delete the widget, add an extra widget to the existing widget on your Samsung phone home screen. So if at the end of this video, you're able to change or add new widget to your Samsung phone home screen, if you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this. Now to change widget on your Samsung phone home screen, you need to do is press and hold the home screen just like this and click on widget. Once you click on that, then you should have all access to all the widgets you can add to your Samsung phone home screen. You can add the weather, you can add TikTok, Spotify, and all applications that support widget on your Samsung phone. So let's say we want to add the weather widget on the Samsung phone. To do is click on weather to expand this option. After this, then if we choose to go with any of these widgets, just click on it once, and then you should see the option to say add this widget to your Samsung phone screen. Hit that. There you go. So this is the widget application. You can adjust the widget using all these dots like this. Then you can make the widget bigger by repeating the same thing like this. And if you click on the widget, you'll be taken to the detailed information about the widget. So there you see. So this is about the widget we just added to our Samsung phone home screen. So this is how you can add widget to your Samsung phone. Now to change this widget, all you need to do is click on this. First, remove the existing widget, and then repeat the process again. Press on the home screen, click on widget, then go back to the weather application here, and then choose whatever widget you want to set as your Samsung phone widget here. Then let's set this, then add the add button. There you go. Then you should see the widget application added to your Samsung phone. So this is how to change a widget on Samsung phone screen. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.